Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you've been looking for a comfortable pillow that is so enjoyable to sleep on, then you might try this one by Beckham Hotel Collection. I have their it's a set of two king size pillows. I love that it fits my bed perfectly. I'm enjoying sleeping on these. They're cozy, breathable. The stitching is so well done, very high caliber all the way around the pillow. The bounce back is perfect. The material inside is really good for having that cooling effect. So I like that when I sleep on it, it kind of keeps my face that runs at a hot temperature cooler. I am really appreciating this cotton. The cover is made of 100% cotton, and I like that everyone in my family has been enjoying this style of pillow. So I am sold. I sleep on my tummy, and I like these pillows for that. I feel like it does provide exactly what I'm looking for, the lift under my neck. And there are times where I'm moving quite a bit, so I feel very comfortable with this set of two pillows. I also sometimes love hugging a pillow as I sleep, and there's nothing more rewarding than sleeping with my favorite pillows. So I'm really enjoying this. I like the way that they look even without the pillowcase cover, and the way that they were packaged was really amazing. So I highly recommend these.
I love these pillows, but that's just my point of view.